There's a tree stuck down in the middle of the road. Okay, go ahead, Darren.
Go off-road. That's what we have to do.
Oh, shit. Look. Oh, we're going off-road?
What? Oh.
Oh, God. Oh! Alright, going through. Trees down everywhere.
Crikey, what an adventure! Through the fucking wilderness we go.
We're out in the middle of the hurricane. Do not try this at home.
Technically, this isn't something you can do in your home unless you live in a car. Hey, I'm getting reception out here though. Try and download the app now. No, now you can download the app. We have reception because I'm getting tweets.
No, Mike,
Mom, this is the only way we can see the front when it's actually
I'm taking video. I'll download it later.
You can't download it when
We're
you're
going towards Kendall.
Yeah.
For some reason, there's no other cars in the road.
Are we running red lights? Yeah. Kendall's lights aren't even on.
I yelled at him. I said, "Don't go this way because there's no other cars." Oh God! This is like one of those. Don't go the wrong, Darren.
It's fine. It's fine.
No, it's not. What if a car decides to come? Go back on the right side of the road.
I can see all the way to the intersection. I will.
No, it makes me nervous. I want you back on the other side.
I've got high beams. Okay,
He's driving on the wrong
other
side of the road. If another car should come, I don't know why.
We decided to evacuate a little late, folks. I don't know why another car would be out here.
Okay, we're going towards Kendall.
Want a souvenir cone? Kinda, yeah. You guys want to go see the U-Pick place? What do you want to do?
No, just look down the road. There's nothing. There's no cars. I don't understand it. No cars down there. This is Kendall Drive. No cars.
You roll down your
a
window.
policeman's going to arrest us.
No one's going to arrest us. Nobody's out here.
All right, go.
Alright. As long as you're driving on the right side of the road, it's fine. Our house blew over. We were evacuating. It's the only thing we got.
Yeah, don't go up here. There's too many big trees that can fall on us.
Yeah, that's true. No, the palm trees are not falling. Look. Yeah, the palm trees don't fall. It's the other trees that snap. Yeah, that's the only thing that are over here. Oh, if the palm tree does snap, we're fucked.
I go back to our neighborhood.
Take the long way.
I don't like going out.
I'm going to loop around on 96. Yeah, go around Poyo, past the police station. Yeah, I just want to see what that area is like real quick. With the little church in there.
It's a long way to walk back if we get the car breaks down or something.
I'll carry you, Phyllis. Totally fine. You've gone this far. Look, there's nothing on the street. Look,
How come there's not one other car on the road? Don't you find that odd?
I'm just trying to keep my door open.
Alright, turn.
We're going to turn right there at the light. At the light, we're going to take a right.
What if the light falls down on us?
It won't. You need to have at least a category 2.
Nobody's around.
I wonder if my gym got broken. They did for shutters up and their windows are
You know there's not one other person doing this? What does that tell you? Go left.
They go right. Right. Go to the school so we can see the school has all the big trees, so we'll see a lot of the trucks.
No, I want to go back this way because we know it's clear.
Oh, I can get you home from this. Like,
no!
Trust me.
Go left.
There's nothing there, please.
No, I'm not going that way.
There's nothing left, though. Mom, there's nothing here to see. Can you go, Darren?
I know. I don't want left. I want you to go home. Take me home.
Darren, okay, I'll take you home. Go this way.
I don't mind being in our neighborhood, but Darren, I don't like being out.
I know this neighborhood perfect. Go straight. I know clear roads that have
Michael, I don't want to do it.
She just wants to get home. I'll drop her off and then...
No, he's not going alone without me.
We're not going to leave the neighborhood. You drag me out here. I want to do one thing. We're not going to leave the neighborhood, but I'm going to take him up to see the school.
Why does he want to see the school?
Because that's where all the good trees are.
Oh, you'll see the good trees.
No, I want to see it now.
You're going to see it when we go back there.
We're not going to go past this.
Yes, we are. That's where all the trees are. You'll see.
Mom, we would have went past the school if we turned left. That's what I was trying to do.
We're going to go past the school. Don't worry.
Why is your gas light on? It's not on, you're funny.
Oh shit.
It's just a pump on, guys. Calm down. This is a Subaru. Keep going right over that. Yeah. I've seen Darren drive worse.
The oddest thing is to look down Kendall.
It really is. Alright, I do need
Car. There's a car. Oh my god! There's a car in the road! Darren, be careful.
Hello, my friends! We don't have a
If
red
it's a
light.
cop, he's gonna kill you.
This isn't a cop. I'm definitely taking a picture though, right here. Give me a minute.
That's a little car. Here's all Kendall Drive. All right, get back in the car, Mike. Darren, get in the car.
Darren, go for a pass. Darren, go for a pass.
Michael, it's not a joke. Get in the car. Something could fly and hit you.
Go for the pass, Darren.
I thought you were gonna throw it. I'm ready.
No, Darren, get in the car.
Darren, when else are we going to be able to throw a pass across 88?
Go. Go. Let me just take a picture. Oh, rain. Lots of rain. Okay, that's enough. No other cars.
Funny.
All right, go down. Okay, now take them around our neighborhood and let him see what we saw.
Alright.
Well, did I really just not record that?
Oh, look at that. There's a tree branch.
Wow, I didn't record that, Darren.
Why?
The fucking means a 360 of me in the middle of the street.
You should have.
Oh yeah, I did.
Can you make the defogger go nice so I can see out my window?
Yeah, actually, I probably can.
It's going now. Okay.
Setting a real bad example.
This is terrible.
For who?
Okay, now take them where we went. That was good,
Alright.
good, you know.
Yeah, that was a good little drive. You don't want to see Miller real quick?
No, that way.
I want to see Miller real quick. The whole thing is lined in trees. Like, all of...
You know, we could get hit by a tornado, at least if we're in our neighborhood.
Nobody's getting hit by a tornado. As I said, I can outrun a tornado. I am guaranteeing you that. I can do 120 in this
There's
car.
a tree down.
Hey, look, I'm coming from a tree. Wow, can you imagine if we died, Dad gets everything?
No, Jason gets everything.
Oh,
There we go.
Do we have an alternate route of getting back? That's the case.
Yeah. Walking. Just kidding.
Run.
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 Darren, I don't want to go as far as Miller. That's dangerous.
You're already on 70.
I don't want to be dangerous.
Okay, I'm sorry. Sunset. I meant sunset.
Look, Mom, we can't go any farther.
What are you talking
Look at
about?
down power line.
Oh, geez. Oh, yeah, there's power lines. You got to be careful.
We're in a car.
That's not a power line. That's
That's
a
a
light pole.
Okay, no, don't go, Darren. I don't want to go. There are power lines. I don't want to get killed.
That's not a power line. It's a small light pole.
Darren,
Ooh, did you see how close I was able to scoot to that wall? I'm just saying, that was pretty impressive.
Darren, please go back.
Oh,
Alright,
snap
I'm
right
turning
off.
around right now. Just right now.
Darren, seriously, go back.
Okay.
It's not fair to take chances with my life.
Just at the
You don't
light.
have to
Just
go.
at the light. Just at the light.
We
And
gotta
then we're
make it
turning
legal. It has to
around.
be, we can't make it illegal.
What's
either.
the 73rd? Yeah, we can't make it illegal.
Phil, if we make it illegal to U-turn, we can get pulled over. Dad told us very much so.
Very
We
clearly.
cannot get pulled over.
Oh, wow. There
What?
is no going down that. Look.
Oh, it's totally. Okay, there's no cars on there. We're not
No
going
cars.
anywhere.
No, I'm turning around now. I really am. I'm turning around right now.
You can make that.
Yeah, I can.
Now what?
I'm gonna hop right over here. I just want to take a picture first.
Darren, if I get in a power line, I'm going to get really pissed off.
No.
If Darren gets blown away, you're going to have to try this
Yeah,
car.
of course. It's all. Let me take a picture.
No, don't get out.
It's not.
I said,
There's no trees around this area.
I don't care. Don't get out. Anything can happen. Something could fly and hit you, and that's dumb to die that way. Tell Darren to come back in the car.
Darren doesn't care.
What is Darren doing?
I saw you put your impact glasses on. You'll be fine. You'll be good, bro.
Darren, take me
This
home.
is the most fun I've had in a while.
Go!
Okay, I'm going.
Where's the farting?
Well, we can walk them from here, can't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Right up and over. This is a definite commercial for your car.
That's what I'm saying.
Subaru!
Yeah.
Here's I'm putting my seatbelt on today.
Well, just for the little beeping.
Just in case we get pulled over.
Yeah, it's against the law to drive
over.
without your seatbelt.
Actually, in theory, we're not doing any leave because the curfew was yesterday.
Is there a curfew on now?
No, not
The curfew's at night. Strike through it, you're in a super.
planning on it. Just straight through. Straight through.
Yeah, you got
Ooh. Now what?
it. Sidewalk.
Sidewalk. Like the game.
Same movie end through.
Oof. Oof. Put the defroster on there.
The fogger, it is on.
Oh, it's on.
In and around.
I could have gone up
I sort
and
of feel
over.
like I'm in that dinosaur movie, Jurassic Park.
I was thinking the same thing.
Were you really? I don't know
I
why.
was.
Why does it feel
Alright,
like
go swim by the
Jurassic
school.
Park?
Right.
I'm sure Dad's super worried.
He's not worried about himself. He's alone in the house.
I'm more afraid you leave the door open.
That makes me nervous too.
He's not going outside.
He was the first to venture out.
I don't know.
He took a lap around the house when no one else would.
Really? I would have.
I mean, I just had Crocs on, so I was going to do. It's annoying my socks on.
No, this is you're gonna go around. Just make sure there's
I
no.
wanted to see if there was a way through there. No.
Really dark.
How much can I put on YouTube? Will it put this much on?
Yeah, you can put up an hour video.
Darren, you're on the wrong side. Oh, you can't go on the right side of the street. Okay.
Darren, I know one thing Subaru can't do.
What?
Go through that lake.
You want to bet?
Can you
do
make
it.
the fogger make work better?
That's what I'm trying to do now, but it looks like we've reached our maximum for defogginess.
Oh, now it's gonna
Here,
fog up
just
so
wipe it.
bad.
Just wipe it.
Oh, why won't it work? Put the air conditioning on. Put the air conditioning.
That's the best place to stop. There you go. That's what you
Now it's clearing up. Wow.
Little. Oh, the lake's up pretty high. That's some water.
Yeah.
Our dock's still standing, kind of.
Yeah, I
You might
saw
have to
that.
go up and on.
No, we're fine right here. You've never wanted a Subaru so bad, though, have you? No.
This is the car Mama truly needs.
Oops. Water coming in. Okay, now we're back.
So this is the worst of it, right?
I don't know. I haven't really watched the updates since I've
they said
woken up.
till 2 it'll be pretty bad. Still another hour. Alright,
Oh,
go.
till 2?
Yeah,
We're almost done?
we have an hour. Wait, so Darren,
You're so
I
disappointed.
am.
go straight.
No, he already knows how to make the rounds.
You
Show
won't
him
take-
the big down tree.
I was going to take him past the Tasha's house to get to the